just wanted to get this video out there. Even though I'm currently getting more views from creating tutorial type videos, but I think that for people that clicked on this video, and that includes you because you did it, this video can actually bring a lot of value now and in 2020. You are in the lab, which means you are in the Dr. Niki show. Cue the intro, Oliver. In this video, you will learn at least 3 things. First, how did I get to this conclusion? Second, how can this be applied to business? And if playing video games as a business owner is bad, why is it bad? And third of all, can video games and watching TV really be an issue? Let's start this video with the shoutout rules. If you want to be shouted out in one of the next episodes, make sure you comment down below something that you've loved about this video or something that you can take away from this video in your life, or something that you do not agree on. Please share it in the comment section down below for a chance to be featured in one of the next episodes. And if you want to know if you're the shoutout winner on this episode, make sure you stick until the end. So how did I get to the conclusion that I should find pleasure in pain when it comes to business? So I like to work out from home. If you watch my Instagram stories, you can see me regularly training on my cross trainer. I also have some dumbbells or whatever you call them, some weights and so on. And to be honest, it's kind of hard to develop the habit of working out from home because you're naturally distracted by a lot of things, and at the same time it's super hard to be disciplined when you're doing something from home. If you're working out from home, if you are working from home, let me know in the comment section if you are from the same team. I know how it feels. If you feel it's hard, I know, I understand what you mean. So I started doing it quite regularly, working out at home, and I try to combine activities, to buy out time. For example, if I want to watch a show but also need to work out, I just watch a show while I work out. That way I can do more minutes and stimulate myself to continue doing the cross trainer exercise until the show is over, and that's regularly 30 to 40 minutes. Instead of just consuming information, I found myself very inclined to do 2 activities at the same time: a health and a mind one, right? Health and mental, I don't know. Consuming information, watching tutorials, watching videos like this one. I watch a lot of my competitors' videos, fellow creators' videos, and at the same time I work out. And I consume information, I work out, I feel really good. But if you're doing this, if you're working out from home, right, doing a physical activities or work, you regularly find yourself in a situation when you really want to quit. It's really hard. You don't think you can continue. Obviously, if you have mental health issues, you should consult a doctor. This is just my opinion, and I'm sharing my experience with you. So when I was on the cross trainer, I felt the need to, this is when I wrote the script for this video, or at least the main ideas, the main topics from it. I really felt the need to stop working out because I was exhausted, but I decided to push myself, to do it further, to continue. And if you're regularly working out from home or from the gym, it's not something new. This happens every time you work out. You're at the position at some point you really want to stop, but when you continue to work out, at that point, this, after the train session you have, brings in the most results. So when it's hard, when you feel pain, you always have 2 options. You can either stop or continue. Only 2 options. How can this be applied to business? Finding pleasure in pain. As a business owner, especially if you work from home, you don't really have people watching over what you do. They don't see you. If you just decide to play computer games for 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours today, no one will notice. And chances are, if you have recurring clients, or you don't make money from the time you spend but just the value you bring to your clients, chances are if you just miss a working day by wasting your time playing video games or watching TV or Netflix or whatever, your clients won't stop. Your business will still bring you the same amount of money next day, next week, next month, even next year. But if you don't care about things, they won't grow. This is a principle, guys. I have a plant here, right? Bamboo plant. I forgot to water it. You know what happened? It died. Now I have a bamboo and an orchid and it's alive. The truth is my wife takes care of them. But you get the point. Take care after things, they'll grow. Don't take care after things, they'll die. Same with business. And especially when you're working as a business owner, there's always, you don't have instant results from the work you put in. Like if you work that much time, you won't get more money most of the time. You might even lose money, spending money on marketing, right? On more impressions or a marketing campaign or an SEO campaign that will bring you value in 3-6 months, 1 year, who knows? So what I do to actually be able to find pleasure in pain is journal. I literally journal pretty much at least 14 hours of my day, and I've been doing that for over 3 months now, and I just tick things that I've done, and I have great pleasure when I catch up, because most of the time I'm behind schedule. I don't manage to do the things for today and I have to do them tomorrow, but at the end of the week, when I manage to do everything, I really have a better willpower to actually be self-disciplined to do everything I have to do for the day, to do my tasks. I'm a little bit more productive, a little bit more disciplined. Not a lot, but a little bit every week, and I can see that. And I have so much pleasure in the pain of actually achieving those tasks, because I know in 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, they will bring me value. For example, these YouTube videos, 5 videos a week, right? I used to do 3, I used to do 2, I used to do 7 a week. Now I'm doing 5 a week. This is pretty hard, right? I'm recording this on 26th of December. Yesterday I worked on 25th. I worked over 16 hours. From 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. I had a shift on my live chat website because a lot of our representatives were offline because of the holidays. So I was on from 3 a.m. and then I continued to do a video. I had a video where I was walking around town and recording. That was a fun video. Then I had time with friends, but before that I was spent like 15 or 16 hours working, right? And this is not easy, and I won't make anything from this video. I hardly make 50 cents to $1 from a video. I don't get, enough views, but I know that in a year this will matter. My discipline will matter. And if you're a true subscriber and watch me a year after that, please remind me of that video. I'll be so happy. So how can TV and video games disturb that? Well, in video games you gotta hustle, right? To get results in an MMO, in an FPS, I don't know, strategy game, survival game, to finish first, to be the last one survivor, to get that better achievement, better level, better armor, better pet, whatever. It takes time, it's a grind, right? And you feel a lot of achievement, sense of achievement when you do it. But it's actually robbing, because it's a virtual achievement, no one cares about this achievement. That really doesn't help you unless you're actually participating in esports or you're a streamer. That obviously has value, this is your job, but it's just a hobby. This grabs and steals your sense of achievement, and instead of having a self-achieving, state from doing something productive, you're actually robbing yourself. And it's just my experience. This is something I wanted to share, and I really hope this video brought you value. If it did, share it. Share it on your social media to really help me out. YouTube is my creative outlet, and I really like the concept that I can talk to an audience and have my voice heard from you guys and girls, and you really mean a lot to me. Let's continue with the shoutout winner. The shoutout winner for this episode is actually Almong Mandusan. I'm really sorry if I pronounce your name wrong. Hey Dr. Niki, I enjoy your videos. They're amazing, but could find one about an app to unfollow and find ghost followers. With that being said, could you recommend me a good tracking app? My reply, hey Almog, thanks for the support. Of course I will help. Use the free tracking website IGPlay. No need to pay anything. And yeah, this is what you should do if you want to analyze influencers. Just use the free way, IGPlay. And this video is not sponsored. I just want to help you out, because a video a day gives the doctor away. See you next one. Bye. And by the end of this video, make sure you check one of these sounds. Did I say video or idio? I don't know.